the students who are in Form 1 at the last lot of KCPE.
Riu KCPE ni rathirire.
It is done and dusted. Riu KCPE ri ihana riu arore mekire CPE. Yes.
Uguo riu arutwo aria riu marari Form 1
metiribishwa ni moke kundu guku babo kabio ke woyanirwo ya bana
riu enda kuga maundu mau turiganirwo
hiyo amna. Yes, it's just assessment.
Alafu
and then they all progress to junior high school,
junior secondary.
They all progress 100% transition. Then they wait for the other one which we are not yet very sure. Tondru aya mareka aya riu athuita maisani amarekire riu kipse ya mbere matigeka KCSE. Tondu riu me Form 1 nio makarekania no horo wa
KCSE.
Yes. Tuthie riu uguo mundu atekwe pressure nyingi ya namba 1 na namba 4 no.
Uguo riu gutikamenyeka ati murutwo ng'ania no aratongoretie cukuru.
No. I don't think they'll grade it like that.
How no hega?
Well, I think competition is very important.
No, competition is good.
It's good, really. Even in this life, it's a competition.
No, life is a competition.
Everything is competitive. We see how ne mangiraro rire. Onoko ni ha grading. Todo the competency based curriculum they call it on one continuous coursework.
Ona nige kore continuous.
Yes.
No riu haria muthia-ini ri igakionganiririo.
Twirwo riu he mwana wa kuria mioro primary. Uroiro iguru uguo. Yes. Kana kuria yego primary. Yes. Now that razzmatazz and vavavoom
you see
might not get it.
Nago kutumite mwana ni oragia atiri.
Yes.
Ni muciari kana ona an elder in the village. Ni munari kirie kigerio. Urageire ki?
Great day when ndahituka.
Urahituka na magithi cigana?
Tutaragerwo guo.
Mutaragirwo ki?
Ndahitukia na
Iyo ni ndu
approaching expectation.
Yo kai kou ndeko. Yura kinyitie magana mana riu.
Acha titaragwo guo susu.
Ni gwacenjirie.
Riu ni above expectation, meeting expectation, approaching expectation, na below expectation. Riu ni othesi.
Below expectation ni riu ni thesi.
And you know below expectation is not even very low. Like approaching. Meeting wesia ne kindu ni 60 ne hau. Yes.
Yo ni meeting.
Yeah, the meeting. Approaching ne kuma 40 ginya 50 hau. Yes. No, after that is below.
Kuma 30.
Kuma 30 guka na guku. Above expectation riu ni 90 ne nako.
Itafai kwa bata.
And I don't know whose expectation.
I don't belong to that school of thought.
Because we need to ask ourselves whose expectation. Because that is a very, ambiguous term.
No. Okay, direnda kuga arutwo matiguthoma no meguthoma no riu ri.
Yes.
Competition is good.
It is good. You see, uria waigua ni urarigia ri unaniwera pull up
your socks.
And many of us pulled them up. Yes. But through that. Don't want to maharia mebere. And life is like that.
Yes.
So if we make them very relaxed, Maria nini worry.
Life will not treat them like that.
No, it will not. Ati otie mundu rathomerwo ni kuhuru ni kugwa.
Well,
I think if we go like this, we might just not meet the expectation.
As a country.
Yes. We need to
as a how they have Chirozi ndio fati gucokio riko. Lu mwana ragĩota gũkwĩra atĩ na maxi cigana no akwĩria ararĩ meeting expectation.
Yes. Ararĩ approaching. No, actually it's not called above, it's called exceeding.
Exceeding expectation.
That is EE. Rĩu E Nĩyo rĩu.
No arehire kĩũndũ gĩkĩ.
Nĩ Matiang'i.
Kana nĩ Magoha.
Gĩtianjirie na Matiang'i nĩwe marĩire. Magoha implement. And Magoha looked hands-on. Gĩkĩ rĩu harĩa kĩroneka TV-inĩ rĩ, nĩ container ikĩhingũrwo.
Maũndũ nĩ maragĩcenjia na ihenya bũrũri ũyũ.
Well, actually what they will do, they will also kill an industry called success cards.
No, that is dead.
Because, I mean, if it's not competitive, there will be no, the incentive of sending. Yes.
And no wonder ndĩrona aithiũngana nĩ mũthoni wa wanjangũragia. Nĩkĩ itarona gwĩkĩrĩrwo kĩũndũ gĩa atĩ kwĩna kĩgeranio kĩrathiĩ na mbere.
Gĩtirĩ na wakĩria the razzmatazz as usual. Even the learners themselves don't feel any pressure. I've told you I've had a keep-say candidates when Nakata. They don't feel the pressure.
Matire na pressure.
Matire. Not much.
Bũrũri-inĩ wagĩcenjirie. Ũguo no nginya mwana ndaratirĩtwo ina special ĩyo atĩ nĩ arathi kĩgerio mũciĩ.
Ona ũtangĩkĩmũria ũmũthĩ mũreka kĩ? Imetuchanganya hata sisi. Let's just hope we meet the expectations of what was the mission and vision of the competency-based curriculum. Your teacher, but the competition the fact you eliminate.
And the aspect of competition, no can unhealthy competition.
Yes,
that is what we should have managed.
But it's a reflection of life. Yes, even this Wakiri Rona, Makiaria Shira, why impeachment the deputy president today. They are competing.
Of course, you see, these are cream de la cream.
They are all fists out. Yes. Mwana oke kuga atiriri fata nĩ njarie won't work.
Fata nĩ appear for my client.
Right, won't work.
No, life is not like that.
No. Unless we as a country and as authority want to make life that easy for them.
You see,
yes.
Ona nĩtũkiuga ta bũrũri tũkĩiguanĩre tũrenda tũtue maica that easy. The world is not Kenya.
It's not. And you know the world is also becoming a small global village. Yes.
Anyway, we are not policy makers.
We are not. We are just opinion readers.
Huo ni maoni wetu.
As for the state. Yes, it's our input. Our 5 cents.
Meeting expectation.
Exceeding expectation.
Approaching expectation.
No, meeting. The A grade is exceeding.
Exceeding expectation.
Then there is meeting.
Meeting expectation.
B, and there is approaching.
Approaching is
And then below.
Below expectation.
Yes. We are back class 5. Yes.
Haya. Mfumo mpya.
Matuko maitu kiundu andu maringaga thiri. Andu mangiandikirwo no expectation. Na maihuretie marori bara.
No expectation. No, that is writing you off.
Andu maringaga thiri. Inya aciari makamahothagia gĩthomo nginya makĩoya makauga mwana ũyũ we nĩ ũĩ kũrĩa kaumĩrĩ boire so nĩ papas ngai nĩ ũĩ kũrĩa tũkaumĩrĩra mũthondeki. No, you know they now were resigned to miracles. But today why the mayor in mwana ũyũ
no expectation. Era iko vida hote. No, ridicada.